Oh, I got you.
Hi guys, we're in where we at? Harbor Freight. We're trying to get a grinder and some other tools because his dumbass forgot to. He lost his keys to the freaking to the garage, yo. So now we gotta bust it open. And yeah.
I'm gonna get love swings.
I bet. Yeah, I know. I want my hands to not, you know, get dirty when I'm working on this old ass car that I'm about to work on. Hi y'all. I'll see you on the garage. Hi y'all. I gotta stop saying y'all. Like seriously. We're gonna break into his shop.
What's up?
Not much. What about you? Cold as shit. It's so cold in the shop, and that's easy.
Jacket.
Really? Let's see. This little thing. So this is fun.
Okay, what you trying to do with this?
Oh, is that where he hit it from? Oh shit. Oh damn. He messed it up. Poor thing. Alright y'all, see y'all whenever we open the actual shop. I gotta stop saying y'all. This is the last time I'm saying. Go ahead. Alright, so we got it started. What we're trying to do is raise it because look at this shit. Like the wheel is literally in the body right here. You can't feel it on the inside. And the oil pan is like on the ground. Look at this shit. So I don't know if you see it, but that's not drivable right now. So we're gonna take some shit from here later on and put it on it. But for now, hopefully raise this. Hopefully raise it up. Ain't that right? Hell yeah. It has a car. Yeah, it's beautiful, dude. It has a car on the interior. Woo! That's beautiful. Woo! Chill out now. Chill out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this camera down somewhere.
Now you gotta know.
What?
That means underneath valve cover.
Really?
Valve cover, yes.
All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and set this somewhere so we can start working on the car. Oi. So I'm gonna start on raising the car, and he's gonna take apart the car. Yeah. Oh, take these out. Show them to the boys. Hold up. Where's it? Boom! They're gonna be powder coated, hopefully. You good? Now that we got the right tools, and he lowered it, we can start. We're gonna put some power. Yeah, you got muscle. You work out? No. Do you go to gym? No. Oh, wow, you're so strong. Well, that was tiny. They're not full of it. They're not full of it. They're springs. Whoever the hell owned this car before him was a piece of shit. No offense, but goddamn, like you ruined the car. Like, I get that you want to be low, but if you're low, like we're to the point where your fucking tire is touching the inside of the body, why? If you're gonna take the whole thing out, might as well just swap.
What swap what?
swap it كله.
What swap?
يعني أخذ هاي كله من هذا تركبه هنا.
But that's what I'm doing. Same shit, bro. We don't have to do all that shit.
No, that's doing extra, bro. That's doing more work.
What you trying to do?
Alright, update. So we're gonna take the entire suspension out of the car because the dumbass who had it before us did not know what the hell he was doing. And he just dropped some freaking shitty ass springs on it. So we were gonna put these, but the suspension is so messed up on it, you can't even put these on. So we're gonna take the ones from this convertible and then put them on there. Alright, update. Let me get this out right here. Hold up. We got the tie rod off because we're trying to replace this whole thing because you see that shit's messed up right here. We're gonna take this one off and then put the one from this car on because this one is like original everything.
The only thing I like that he bought these the control on for me for $250.
I'm so dead. I'm so, and then we're live streaming over here. Jesus, I'm dead. Yeah. Peep that bad boy. I'll put y'all back here. What? Nothing. I'm trying to freaking adjust this damn thing. What?
Go,
Hold the pullover up for me.
What if there's no connection?
Alright, that one's out. Let's open the one from the converter. Show you how good this is.
I'm fixing these my E30s, my friend. These cars are all mine. Okay, you have to drop it down first.
Oh, damn it!
Yeah, you have to drop it down inside these right now.
I forgot about that.
Yeah, exactly. This one you have slow motion. Wow. Wait.
Now I'm pushing the car back. God damn, son. My back is out. I can't open these wheels. I ain't doing this shit.
Thanks, sir.
Damn, I feel like I'm pregnant. My back hurts like, like shit. No. No, it's not even open the lock first.
So good. You have to just like this. At least.
Alright, quick update. The bushing got fucked. So the only way
No, no,
out.
stop.
The only way out is to cut the little nut right here, and yeah, rip.
Voila!
Oh my god, that bitch gown. Hell yeah, give me a high five, boy.
The engineering.
Wow, did you go to Massachusetts?
No, I went to Quick Tech.
Wow, Harvard.
Phone repair.
Wow, MIT. Alright, y'all. I'll see you when we have the suspension on the other car. Update, we have replaced the suspension from the convertible to this one. So this is off. This is shit. And that's OEM, baby. That bitch took forever. But just a little update. We'll get back to you whenever we have the other side on, hopefully. And that'll be it. Yo, last update. So we got all the suspension on, and the car looks amazing. He's working on tying the last wheel. Boy, that sounds like shit.
It's the rotors.
Yeah. As soon as he gets that done, we'll drop it, and it should be beautiful because this side, whenever we dropped it, looked amazing. It looked stock, you know. He wanted to have the stock look to it, so it's now stock. All right. So we got all the suspension on. We replaced it. I didn't want to show you guys because it took a freaking 3 hours to do this side and that side. But now it's done, and it looks amazing. We're just gonna drop it. I'm just waiting on him to finish this shit right here. That's it. Beautiful lady right here. All red interior. Everything literally OEM. Hey, give me a high five in the air. Yeah, high five, boy. Yes, sir.
Let me get that. Let me pull it in.
All right, but here we go. There we go. Woo! Is it down? Hey! Boy, it's OEM now. He's stuck in the rear, not in the front though. It's alright though. That's cool. Gotta get all the shit out of the way. Bro, that's the third time. And that concludes our video for today, baby. I'll see y'all next time. My boy. Alright, y'all, for real this time, I'm out.